Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, today we are going to be looking at
another example of substitution
Method.
Yes, in our last class, we actually solved the question using the substitution method. Yes, but I want us to take another example of substitution
Method.
Now, let's call it example 2. Everybody say example 2.
Example 2.
That's very good. Now, using the substitution method, find the values of x and y if 5x plus 6y is equal to 11 and 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. Yes. Now this is a simultaneous equation that actually involves two variables. What are the variables there? X and
Y.
Again?
X and Y.
And here we are going to use the substitution
Method.
Remember, I told us in our last class that when using the substitution method, the first step is to pick one of the equations. Now, so how many equations do we have here?
2 equations.
That's very good. So we have 2 equations here. The first step is to pick one of the equations. Now, let's start it. Here we have equation
1.
Equation
2.
Yes. So we have to pick one of the equations. Now, solution. Using what method? Substitution
Method.
Again?
Substitution method.
Yes. So which of these equations do you want to pick?
Equation
1 or equation 2?
Equation 2.
Okay. So now let's pick equation 2. So from equation 2, we have 7x minus 2y is equal to what?
5.
Is equal to 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have fixed equation 2. Now the next step is to make one of the variables the subject of the equation. Now, which of the variables do you want us to make the subject of the equation?
X.
That's very good. So to make x the subject implies making x to exist alone. Yes, we want to isolate x. So in case here, we have 7x will be equal to, remember we have 5 there before.
Yes, sir.
And we are taking minus 2y to the other side. So it will change to what?
Plus.
Again?
Plus.
So here we have plus 2y. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2y. So remember, we are not making 7x the subject, we are making x. Yes. So to get the value of x here, we are dividing both sides by what?
The coefficients of X.
Again?
The coefficients of X.
Again?
The coefficients of X.
Now, what is the coefficient of x?
7.
Here you tell them divide 2 by 7. Yes, divide 2 by 7. So if you're dividing 2 by 7, we have 7x all over 7 is equal to 5 plus 2y all over 7. Now this 7 will go with this 7. I'll be left with what?
X.
So here we have x will be equal to, we have 5 plus 2y all over what?
7.
All over what?
7.
So now that we have made x the subject, we have isolated x. So it means we can call this equation
3.
Equation 3. That's very good. Now, the next step is to substitute. Substitute x is equal to 5 plus 2y all over 7 into which of the equations now?
Equation 1.
Again?
Equation 1.
That's very good. Into equation 1. And therefore means that anywhere we see x in equation 1, we'll be putting 5 plus 2y all over what?
7.
Now let's move straight to equation 1. Now in equation 1 we have 5x. It becomes 5 in brackets. Now the value of this x now is what? 5 plus
2y all
y all over 7. So that's the value of y. So the value of what?
X.
So now we have plus 6y is equal to what?
11.
Is equal to 11. And remember I told us that this 5 is the same thing as 5 over 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means we are using those 5 to multiply only the numerator. So here we have 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 times 2y is 10y. All over 1 times 7 is 7. Now plus 6y is equal to what?
11.
Good. Now the next step is to remove the fraction. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the next step is to remove the fraction. So to remove the fraction, we have to multiply 2 by what? The LCM. And what is the LCM here? Because this 6y is equal to 6y over 1, 11 over 1. So what's the LCM of 7, 1, and 1?
7.
Again?
7.
Again?
7.
Here we are going to multiply. We're going to multiply 2 by
7.
So it means we are multiplying both the left hand side and the right hand side by what?
7.
That's very good. So here we have 7 in bracket 25 plus 10y all over 7 plus 7 in bracket 6y is equal to 7 in bracket 11. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
So now this 7 will go with this 7. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we left with what? 25 plus 10y. Yes. This 7 with this 7. This actually cancels this. And we left with 25 plus 10y. Then here we have plus 7 times 6y is 42y. Is what?
42y.
That's very good. So now we have 7 times 11. 7 times 11 is 77. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now in the same 25 plus, we have 10y plus 42y. Now give us 52y. Again?
52y.
Again?
52y.
Now we equal to 77.
7.
So the next step is to collect like terms. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The next step is to do what?
Collect like terms.
Again?
Collect like terms.
Now what are the like terms here? If you know the answer, please I want to see your hands up. What are the like terms? Okay, Jessica, let's hear from you.
27 and 77. 25 and 77.
25 and 77. Please let's clap for her. Again. So the like terms here is 25 and 77. So now you tell them collect like
Terms.
Collect like terms. Now when you collect like terms, we have 52 y will be equal to, we have 77. Now remember this 25 here, there's no sign here, this is plus. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
It means it's a positive value. So when you take plus to the right hand side, it changes to what?
Minus.
So here we have minus 55. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
So it means here we have 52y will be equal to 77 minus 25 is 52. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 77 minus 25 is 52. Now to get the value of y, we are dividing both sides by what?
The coefficients of y.
Again?
The coefficients of y.
Again?
The coefficients of y.
Now, who can tell us the coefficient of y? Please, if you know, you raise up your hand. Memuna. 52, that's very good. Please, let's clap for her. Again. So the coefficient of y is 52. So here you divide both sides, or you say divide 2 by 52. So here we have 52y, all over 52 is equal to 52 all over 52. So the 52 here will go with this. Here will be left with y. 52 divided by 52 is what?
1.
Again?
1.
Now we have got to the value of y to be equal to 1. Okay, so we are left with the value of x. So to get the value of x, we substitute. You substitute y is equal to 1 into equation what?
Equation 3.
Again?
Equation 3.
Now, remember, you can also put it into equation 1, equation 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And now we are putting it into equation
3.
Yes. Now, on equation 3, we have x is equal to 5 plus 2y. And remember, the value of y now is what?
1.
The value of y is what?
1.
Good. So we have 5 plus 2 bracket 1 all over 7. It means the value of x will be equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 7. And 5 plus 2 is what?
7.
Again?
7.
Yes, 5 plus 2 is 7. So here we have 7 all over 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to
1.
So therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to what?
1.
Now, it means when you substitute those values, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 into the question, you will get this. Now, let's see equation 1. Equation 1, we said 5x plus what?
Plus 6y.
6y is equal to what?
11.
Now, let's see if it is true. Now, 5x plus 6y will be 5 in bracket 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the value of x is 1. Plus 6 in bracket 1. Now 5 times 1 is what?
5.
6 times 1 is what?
6.
5 plus 6 is what?
11.
11. That's very good. So this one, the value of x and y actually gives us 11, which is what we have in equation 1. Now let's check equation 2. We have 7x
Minus 2y.
Now remember we said the value of x is 1. Here we have 7 in bracket 1 minus 2 in bracket 1. Now let's see, 7 times 1 is what?
7.
7 times 1 is what?
7.
2 times 1 is what?
2.
7 minus 2 is what?
5.
So we can see that the value of x and y are equal to 1 and 1. So we have actually come to the end of this class. So if you have any question, you're very good to ask. Any question?
No, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in our next class. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.